The thing I want to build is a work of art. The work is intended as a tribute to the new science of chaos and the new mathematics of fractals. Its scale holds true to the monumental nature of these new ideas. Dr. Benoit Mandelbrot discovered fractals late in the 20th century, ushering a shift in paradigm in our own 21st century. Fractals were born in the new geometry of computers. Soon, fractal forms were seen everywhere, including nature and even the universe. Chaos and fractals are founded on process. Fractal geometry creates images through a process of recursion, where the answer resulting from the evaluation of a formula is repeatedly reinserted in the formula as input. When a live video camera is pointed into its own monitor, a similar recursive process occurs, generating fractals. The finished work will be 32 feet wide by 24 feet high. It has been subdivided into 12 8-foot by 8-foot sections called quadrils. The first 2 quadrils were built with a process that was a mix of automation and handcraft. Plans are being made for a spring reception to mark the moment of the joining for the first time of the 2 completed quadrils. As I intend to build the next quadrille solely with automation, Openbuilds holds the promise to make this possible. The 2 y-axis wheel assemblies carry the heaviest loads of the machine. Each incorporates 2 plates, a step motor, and 14 extreme wheels in order to move the x-axis gantry smoothly and precisely along the y-axis.
in Topol and Deutsche Bank, FBI and Scotland Yard, in Topol and Deutsche Bank, FBI and Scotland Yard. Time, travel, communication.
Openbuilds is a powerful idea whose time has come. It provides an extensive inventory of parts and kits. It maintains a net forum for sharing of complex designs and a library of effective instructional material for using their product to build all manner of useful machines. The beauty of Openbuilds lies first in its open source model, which is inviting to the average person who may have an interest or a need for advanced numeric controlled machines. Simplicity, economy, and power soon follow. It's amazing but true that complex machines for unlimited applications can be built with the Openbuilds inventory and assembled using primarily two simple tools, the Openbuilds ball driver and spanner. The Openbuilds inventory is comprised of hundreds of items. Beyond the V-slot rail and the wheels, the inventory includes plates, specialty connectors, brackets, motors, gantries, machine bundles. The list goes on. The main fastener is the M5 screw and T-nut. The T-nut is a flat nickel-plated steel shape, tapered for easy slot insertion. The M5 is an alloy steel screw with a 5mm shaft. It comes in 16 lengths to accommodate a myriad of applications, including doubling as a wheel axle. With a few exceptions, an entire machine is assembled just with the M5 T-nut connector. This is not only a model of simplicity and economy that typifies the Openbuilds system, this is a thing of beauty.
By pressing down a special key, it plays a little melody.
Keeping with the times, Openbuilds' well-developed web marketing and support makes it easy to order products at an affordable price and obtain easy-to-follow assembly instructions. This support, coupled with the beauty of an open, economic, and simple Openbuilds system, leads you to the most beautiful thing of all, the power to build anything.